Hi guys, my name is Sadie and I'm going to show you the basics of video. Take a look. Exposure is the amount of light that hits the sensor of the camera. You don't want your video to be overexposed or underexposed. Overexposed means it's too bright and underexposed means it's too dark. Aperture is the hole size in the lens. The smaller the hole, less light gets into the lens. The larger the hole, more light gets in. Aperture is measured in f-stops. The lower the number, the larger the hole, which creates more depth of field. The most commonly used frame rate is 23.976. This frame rate is the most natural to the eye. Any frame rate higher than this can cause slow motion. ISO is the light added by the camera. The higher the ISO, the brighter the image. However, the ISO will create noise. Shutter speed is the amount of time your image sensor is exposed to light. It affects motion blur and exposure. Higher the shutter speed, the lower the motion blur. Lower the shutter speed, there's more motion blur. Color temperature is measured in Kelvin. The higher the Kelvin, the cooler the light. The lower the Kelvin, the warmer the light. There are three main ways to record audio. Take a look at how the audio is affected by each mic. When setting up composition, the main thing to think about is the rule of thirds. Rule of thirds is dividing the frame into 9 squares. You put the subjects on the lines that divide them because the eye falls most naturally to those positions. There are 3 main ways to frame up a shot: tight, medium, and wide. With a combination of these, you can create a great story.